Welcome to Spaz on Wheels. Not really, Spaz in the garage. Today, we're taking the tank off of my Challenger. We're gonna put a power cord, or for a Hotwire cord basically, for a heated jacket for my better half to have on the back of the bike. And the battery on these is up front. So I'm gonna shoot a little video just of me doing the work on this, a little time lapse, and put some music over it, what have you. Maybe I'll stop and talk about problems I run into or what have you. I'm using the wonderful YouTubes to watch a video on how to remove it because I haven't done it yet. So this will be the first go. So, woo, here we go. So we are going to take this baby apart. All right, so ran into our first snaggeroo. The video I'm watching is from J&P Cycles, and I believe they've changed the wiring to the tank on the 2021 model. So I have a 2021, they're demoing it on a 2020 model, and on their video, there is a cord that comes down here, right by this harness, on this side, right here, and it's not here. So what I'm doing is I'm disconnecting the wires up here at the top because it looks like it goes to the forward side and does not actually go underneath the tank. So theoretically, this will be disconnected. I still gotta disconnect some stuff underneath, but figured I'd stop the video here and show you what I'm doing. All right, so after just playing around with it, the one difference between JP Cycle's video definitely and the 2021 model is this. So there is no wire down here like they show in that on the 2021s. Instead, it hooks right into the harness here, so you have to disconnect the two leads on the top of the tank. So that's all I did. I disconnected the top two leads, unhooked the fuel line and the air line there, the vent line, from underneath the tank, and it comes right off. So far so good. Now on to figure out where I'm gonna run the wires up around from the battery compartment. So that'll be what we do next. All right, so what we're doing right now is we're taking off the battery cover, and when I got in here, I realized I might have to take this radiator cover off, so I'm taking that off too. That's a 6 mil up here as well. The battery cover down here has two torque heads that are, what are they, T40s? They're this size, T40, to take off the door that's down here. So you can see the dealership installed another tether cord here for trickle charging. So there's one on the dash on the 2021 model, and there's also one put in up here. I'm more than likely going to run my cable up this side and follow this line up to here, and then jump over here and then run the backbone. Actually, not showing it very well. So I think I'm going to I'll follow this line up out of here with the power cord, and then up over to the frame and down the backbone. After a little finagling, we've got the wires on. Now we just gotta run them and we'll be good to go. I never do battery car yet. We did it. It's on my ass way too much, probably.
What?
All right.